Hi, my name is Shaniqua Asumah. I'm a final year computer science student at Lancaster University, Ghana, and on my third year. Yes. I would like to present to you today Investigo. Investigo is an app I created for my final year project. So basically, Investigo is all about investing. The main reason behind this app is that in Ghana, a lot of people don't really know what investments entails. You're given some amount of money and you ask what's next, what do you want to do with the money, and they're like, invest. But now invest where? They have no idea, they don't have a clue about it, and hence you see people falling into tricks like the men's gold attack and everything. Investigo here breaks down your problems. So let's jump right into it. So you're welcomed with your dashboard that tells you briefly about how the market is performing. You have the Ghana Stock Exchange Market Index, some predictions, the trading volumes that are going on, and then your own portfolio you have. Some additional features we have on the app are some tutorials and for watch list. We realize that a lot of people don't actually know much about it. So we provide some tutorials for beginners. So these are custom-made tutorials that would help you in your investments. Introduction to investment, portfolio management, investment basics, and what have you. And then you just complete it. One interesting feature is that you get to see all the stocks available directly from the Ghana Stock Exchange website. You have all the price of the stocks, whether it's going high, whether it's doing well or not. So for example, MTN Ghana has risen just today with a point of 0.02%. So you can also view the profile of each stock to basically have an overview of what's happening. You can get the address, the email, industry, you can have direct telephone numbers and all of this. If you're interested in the stock as well, you can directly add it to your watch list, and hence you'll be getting daily notifications about how well the stock is doing, and there you have it in your stock list. The most interesting aspect of this app is the ability for it to make recommendations. So it actually tells you whether or not, it would recommend you whether or not to buy a particular stock. And the theory behind this is using machine learning and neural networks. Basically, it's trained over a long period of time to calculate the changes that occurs in the stock, and you'll be able to then feed new information to predict the outcomes of these stocks. So let's look at it. You go up there and you click on recommend. You'll be given a new display portal where you'll be allowed to put in the name of the stock, the price of the current price of the stock, the price change, and the total shares traded that day. You then click to calculate whether or not to buy and sell the stock. And interestingly enough, for this stock, it is recommending you to sell that stock with a probability of 0.98%. So in this case, you are very certain that Cowbank is going to drop and you can sell off your shares. And it can do similar for all the other stocks. So we are currently undergoing the alpha testing stage of this app. And so far, a lot of recommendations have been made. At the moment, we're going to try to make it more accurate in terms of the prediction ability, and then we are going to be able for there to be a virtual trading platform where users can virtually trade without real money to see how best their performance will be if they were trading on actual stocks. You will find it soon on the Google Play Store and on the Apple Play Store, so watch out. So it's going to be a mobile platform as well. Thank you.